Hello anywhere. No excuse from enjoying this summer refreshments wherever you are in the world. Believe me, it's done in less than 5 minutes. I promise, this will be quick and fun. Here on Channel 1. Hello, welcome back to Channel 1. Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romelo. And this is a part of our summer refreshment series. I'm boiling chicha there, non-alcoholic drink. It will be posted soon, but today or tonight we're fancying halo halo, and I'll show you the best way, the quickest way, how to make halo halo. I got here frozen milk. It's been frozen and then put out in the refrigerator for 1 hour just to soften a bit. You should hear it crack when you press it. It should be soft enough to be hammered. Milk and what else? As you expect, our instant halo halo mix from the Philippines. Yeah. This is how to do it. Look, if you notice, how about peeling this? If you notice, the ingredients, the halo, have been layered. We cannot just scoop from this glass or from this pot or from this jar, so we have to pour it out onto a bowl so we can scoop it properly. I think this is too small. I think it's small. I'll need a bigger one. What do you think, cameraman?
I don't know.
Let's just try it.
Just
try it. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. So it's easier to scoop the mix from this plate. Clean up a bit. Of course, the more color the better. This is a bit dull, so I'll be adding more color by doing what the food court stores do. I will be staining just the surface.
I mean
of
the inner walls of the glass.
Wet. Look at this. What's this? Ube halaya. I don't have much, so I'll just be staining.
The walls of the glasses.
What did I say? Staining? Yeah, I'm just staining the walls of the glass. Look. Like that. Just for presentation. Yeah. How about that? I'm very happy with this. This is a ladle with, I don't know what you call this, but it allows the syrup to drip, thus preventing it from being too sweet. Sugar syrup. So let's scoop 1 portion, or perhaps 2 portions. My cameraman will be getting a portion, that's why I'll make 2 portions. We can add it later, but let's put it aside for now. Perhaps here. Or by the way, next to it is my corn soup. Corn soup with ampalaya leaves. One of my master dishes. So if you're interested, there's a link to this menu, to this dish here elsewhere. Now comes the exciting part, the hammering of the ice. I just discovered this. The fat content of the milk helps in the easy breaking of the ice crystals. This is easier than shaving. Look. How convenient. See? See how fine our ice is. Almost silky. Very fine. I should have a smaller spoon than this. Okay, let's try that again. I hope you don't mind the spills. This happens, even in the shops. This happens. How about that? They look good, but how about maximizing the experience? I have here instant, what's this, for the color. Nata de coco from Indonesia. Let's add some color. So, how about this? How many minutes was that to make this quick halo halo for this summer? So just mix it. Heaven is here. Go on. Make one too at home. Make one too at home. It's really easy and quick. I hope you get inspired to make this too. Make it now. As an option, you can also freeze a mixture of evaporated milk and water, 50-50. Or, yeah, or that's too much, 50-50, I think that's too concentrated. The ideal mixture, and then put it in a plastic sack and hammer it, just like what I did. It's really quicker, it saves time, much easier than shaving. So our cameraman will also get his share. Again, thank you for joining me here today. On behalf of my cameraman, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again on the next video. Summer cocktails and refreshments series this summer.
Lekker hoor.